Well, good morning to you here from Flat Gap Farm. We are going to cover a controversial topic. A lot of people debate this back and forth, but we're going to give you 5 reasons why you should have a rooster. Let's get into it. Reason number 1 to have a rooster: they give protection. And this actually happened yesterday. Right before all the rain began, we had a hawk coming through. And Buzz did his job. He alerted his ladies. And there they are, coming back from under their chicken coop. The hawk was flying around. They all went under the coop or went into the coop, but letting his hens know that there is some danger. A lot of times he'll make this certain little call. They'll all start running towards him, and he does a fantastic job. My wife has witnessed him personally going toe-to-toe with a hawk. Did you personally witness this attack between Buzz and a hawk?
Yes.
When a hawk came down at our previous property, they were literally fighting in air like the Matrix.
I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a doll. It's true! I saw the whole thing!
The number 1 reason why you would have a rooster is for protection. The second reason why you would want a rooster is fertility. Now I'm holding a container full of eggs, and this is one of those that you can do without. A lot of people debate this, whether you should have a rooster or not. If you are looking to incubate your eggs, or you got a broody hen and you want to actually raise baby chicks, then of course you're going to need a rooster. Now, this is a PG rated homestead, so we're not going to show you Buzz in action, but you know, he's got his ladies around, he fertilizes their eggs, and you can use them if you want to grow them. Now, we don't do that here. We have had a broody hen. From time to time, we've talked about letting them kind of hatch their own eggs so that we can continue to raise more chickens. But if you want to incubate your own, you're going to need a rooster to fertilize them. Reason number 3 why you need a rooster: they help keep order. Buzz does a great job when the ladies start to get after each other. He does his little call and helps to bring stability to the flock. Now, of course, there's always going to be the pecking order where the hens just get after each other, and especially when you introduce new ones. And we did that at our last property twice, where we introduced the pullets. And when you start to introduce them, it's always interesting to watch them gravitate towards the rooster. Propping up, letting the chickens come on out.
Shoot! Go away!
Oh, yeah, the pecking order has started. He is such a good rooster. He brings calmness to kind of the flock. The third reason, again, is bringing order to your flock, especially if you have a lot of hens. The next reason why to have a rooster: he helps them forage. Now, I know I just threw the food out there, and of course that's going to make them come, but he makes this little noise. It's like they come running. He shows them where to go, especially when we let them free range, which we don't do often. And I've got a video of 5 reasons why you should not let them free range. But when we do let them free range, he calls his ladies and they come running. They know exactly where the food is, and it's really cool to watch him let them come discover it. It's like he's a proud papa showing his ladies all the food. The 5th reason why you should have a rooster is they have a great crow, and that crow serves multi-purposes. It's really interesting because the farm next to us, they have a rooster, and he's kind of letting him know his territory. The crow is also really cool to kind of wake up to. He starts about 4:30 in the morning. and you can hear him just announcing to the world it's time to get up. That's a good one. The crow is really cool, and Buzz has a good one. He does it when he's happy. A lot of times when we come up, we can say, "I hear you, Buzz," and he'll crow, and it's really cool. So he kind of talks to you. He lets everybody know, but also he's kind of letting the aerial predators know that, hey, I'm here. He'll let them know to stay away. To me, that's one of the best things about having a rooster on a farm or on a property. Now, this could get you into trouble. If you live in a neighborhood where you have a HOA, a homeowners association, and you've got those regulations in place, a lot of times they will not let you have a rooster. They'll say they're too loud, they bring too much noise and disturbance into the neighborhood.
No, it's not my fault! Let go of me!
Ma'am.
I can't be arrested!
Excuse
I'm
me.
president of the Homeowners Association!
So you've got to check with your HOA if you can even have a rooster because of that fact that they crow. Now again, these are our 5 reasons why we love having a rooster. It's going to be your personal preference. You don't need one unless you want to fertilize your eggs or you need some type of protection, aerial protection. But you definitely need to check with your HOA. We love Buzz. He has been a fantastic rooster. We've had some roosters come and go. Nemo was the most recent one where him and Buzz, they got into it. Nemo won, and Buzz literally got out of the coop and was starting to walk off down the property. Nemo, what are you doing on the chickshaw? And we had to go get him and coax him in. But that is the pecking order. It even affects the roosters. But you don't have to have a rooster. We love Buzz, and sometimes you'll get a mean one. He is an awesome one. You can see him right here behind me. He does a great job protecting his hens. He does a great job for aerial predators and everything that you would need from a rooster, especially if one of the hens gets out of the Stark line chicken netting. He lets us know. He will crow, and you will see him pacing back and forth. I think it stresses him out, as it would be if you've got to keep up with 17 hens, but he does a fantastic job. So it's definitely going to be a personal preference if you get one at all. But these are just the reasons why we love having a rooster. And I know it's a controversial topic. A lot of people say you don't need one, but we do. We hope this gives you something to think about, whether you agree or disagree. Hey, leave a comment below. It's okay. We love a rooster. We're going to keep him, and hopefully Buzz will stay with us for years to come. And if not, we will get another one because we just see the value in having a rooster with our hens. So hope you guys have a great day getting ready for the new year. 5 reasons why you should have a rooster, and we'll see you on the next video.